Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about Podio and whether or not it can be used as a CRM. Now, I know you might be thinking, why would I want to use Podio as a CRM when there are so many other great options out there? Well, that's a fair question, and I'm going to answer it for you. But first, let's start with a quick introduction to Podio. Podio is a cloud-based collaboration and project management platform that can be used for a variety of purposes, including CRM. It's a very flexible and customizable platform, which means that you can tailor it to your specific needs. So, can you use Podio as a CRM? The answer is yes. In fact, Podio has a number of features that make it a great CRM solution. One of the best features of Podio is its ability to create custom apps. This means that you can create apps to track your leads, customers, and deals. You can also create apps to manage your sales pipeline and track your sales progress. Another great feature of Podio is its ability to integrate with other tools and services. This means that you can connect Podio to your email, calendar, and other applications. This can help you to streamline your workflow and keep all of your data in one place. Podio also has a number of other features that make it a great CRM solution, such as task management, file sharing, workflow automation, reporting. So, if you're looking for a flexible and customizable CRM solution, Podio is a great option. Now, let's talk about some of the pros and cons of using Podio as a CRM. Pros: flexible and customizable. Integrates with other tools and services. Task management, file sharing, workflow automation, reporting. Cons: can be expensive for larger teams. Not as user-friendly as some other CRM solutions. Overall, I think that Podio is a great CRM solution for small and medium-sized businesses. It's a very flexible and customizable platform that can be tailored to your specific needs. It also integrates with other tools and services, which can help you to streamline your workflow. However, Podio can be expensive for larger teams, and it may not be as user-friendly as some other CRM solutions. So, if you're looking for a CRM solution that is both flexible and affordable, Podio is a great option. However, if you're looking for a more user-friendly solution, you may want to consider another option. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, stay tuned for more tips and tricks on how to use Podio.